good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you want to be part of the family, subscribe. But wait, don't subscribe, click that bell. Wait, don't subscribe, click that bell. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, like, and comment if you can. I'm pretty sure you can. So as you see, I will be doing a mukbang. I really don't know where this food from because I didn't get it. But you know, it was chicken pretty good, and I was like, I can really do a mukbang. And today I'm just gonna talk about, you know, toxic people, toxic friends, toxic relationships. You know, how to live with activities, live a positive life, because people these days just be so negative and it be irritating. So let's get into this video. All right. Oh, I should have got some honey mustard sauce. Alright, now I got my water, because you know, water's the best drink. I don't know what this sauce is. That's hot sauce. Boy, that went up my nose. Okay, let me move my pillow out the way. I paid good money for that pillow. Okay, but y'all. Ooh. Toxic friends is what we're gonna start off with first. First of all, if you tell your people, your friends, something good that happened to you, something good that's happening, about to happen, and they're not really that excited or something, they don't tell you congratulations when you do something good, they don't check in on you or anything, cut them off. Because if your friends are truly your friends, they'll be happy for you no matter what. If you're happy, then they should be happy. They should congratulate you with anything that you accomplish. If you feel like they're talking about you, they probably is. If you have to even think, if you think that, then they probably is talking about you. And that hot sauce hot. That's not a regular hot sauce. Hold on. Anyways, like a lot of people, or a lot of friends, so-called friends, talk about you when you start to do something for yourself. Like me. I'm not get into all of that. But anyways, like if you try to make a name for yourself or something, they see you coming up and they're gonna start talking about you behind your back. I know people just fake these days, crazy. Not that I want you to win for nothing. It'll just be all negative and stuff. And I ain't with that, so it's just cut them off. I mean, at the end of the day, they'll be best, because that's making you miserable on the inside. And then, and then you start questioning yourself, and like, is it you or something? And it's not. It's your people, your friends, whoever. So just cut them off. And they don't check in on you. I mean, they don't gotta check in on you every single day. I mean, you can do it like so often. But anyways, oh gosh, I didn't even get off flats. I only got 2 flats. Anyways, like friends should check, and friends, you have to really talk every day too. But anyways, toxic relationships now. First of all, relationships these days don't even be relationships. Like, do people not believe in a relationship no more? I do. I'm sorry. about blacked out for a minute because this food, y'all, is really good. But anyways, so I don't even know what to begin. Like, relationship these days consists in I don't know, like, I don't really know y'all ages, so I ain't gonna to end up to making kids. That's what people consider a relationship or something. Like, that's all people do these days, and they don't even want to have a relationship. Anyways, so let's see, if your boyfriend, girlfriend is not posting you, and it's just like one of your spouse say that he or she don't want people knowing their business, your business, cut it off, because posting the pictures not supposed to be your business. Like, if you post a picture or something and people saw their backs and have all y'all, or like how long I've been dating or something, then that's your choice. It's supposed to be your business, but you don't gotta tell people your business just by posting a picture. I'm just saying. And hold up. Let's see. I don't know. This is just it's teen nowadays, and if you want to spend time with your boyfriend or girlfriend and they're not making time for you, then cut them off. If you don't really trust, I mean, talk about it or something, I don't know. But you also need to communicate in a relationship, because that's the #1 thing. And trust. And so if y'all not really like that, communicating and having trust, then we might need to cut that thing off before you get hurt. Okay? And if your boyfriend and girlfriend is cheating on you back to back to back to back, but they keep saying sorry, I'm cut them off too, because if they was really sorry, they would never did it again and again and again. They just drag you along. And it's like, it's the difference between somebody wanting to be with you and somebody who's just dragging you along with them so you can be with nobody else. That hot sauce is hot. Like, you need to know the difference, you need to know your value, you need to know your growth. If you're just like not happy in a relationship, you need to talk about it. If things don't seem to get better, things will change, they seem to get worse, they just need to leave. You gotta, my hand's dirty. You have to know your value. You need to know when you're being disrespected. And I mean, you don't just up and leave, but if you talked about it constantly, and things is not getting better, hey, that don't leave. Get out. Get out. Okay? Then I was gonna have some sauce to dip this bro in, cause it's good. Anyways, negative people, y'all. There's so many negative people down here. Negative people down in my school. Alright, for real. I don't know. They were talking about me. I don't let them get to me, cause like I said earlier, I don't know, people didn't really talk about it until I started doing what I'm doing and all this stuff. It's like, cause they just not doing nothing with their life, and they say I'm doing something in my life. But anyways, if you got a lot of people talking about you at school or something, do not let them see that it's getting to you. Don't let it get to you, because when they do see that, they're getting under your skin. They're gonna keep doing it because that's what they want. They want you to like just stop what you're doing. They want you to be miserable. Yeah, once you be miserable and all this stuff, and I don't know, people just this was just crazy. Like, all of it is just hate these days, and with me, it don't really get to me, because like with me, I'm trying to, I'm getting higher in my, what is it called, like famous or something, and I know everybody's not gonna like me. Everyone's not gonna like what I do, so that's why it doesn't get to me. Like, there's a lot of people in the world, I know that not everybody's gonna like me. So, yeah. You can even have a toxic family too. I'm just saying. But you gotta know how to deal with hate. You gotta know how to, when somebody's being toxic in your life, cut it off. Because it's gonna make you miserable. It's gonna make you start doubting yourself. Whew. Yeah, it is. And you need to always be confident in yourself, in what you do. Because if you're not confident, you're failing. Just period, you're failing. You gotta be confident in what you do, how you act, what you say. When you sit down, like people like to slouch yourself when they sit down. You stand up, because that shows a lot. Like, don't be slouching all like this and stuff. Stand up. Because at first, dang, I'm okay. Thanks for asking. But anyway, so I don't know, like, we just confident. It boosts your mentality, your mind, keeps you going. You can't stop. You go to the top. You go straight to the top. I'm gonna go straight to the top. But this food is really good though. I'm getting full though, for real. Like, I didn't eat that much. Let me eat a little bit of fries. No, anyways, let me keep going. Oh yeah. Well, we can get y'all about, it's cool too. Y'all don't need friends, okay? I only got 3 friends. I got 3 friends, and I'm good with my 3 friends. I love my 3 friends. And that's all it is. My classes, if none of my 3 friends in my classes, I don't talk. Because people is fake. They'll talk about you with somebody, and then when the bell rings to go to the class, you'll see them in the hallway, it's rocking with their person. Like, people is really fake these days. And people, I don't know, people just irritating me. They be trying so hard to be real. Like, that comes natural. Either you're real or you're fake. It's one of that. It's as simple as that, okay? You ain't real, okay? Just, you ain't real. I mean, I don't know. But when you go to school, just know, when school start back, y'all just gotta know, you don't need friends. You don't go to school for friends. You go to school to learn, get your education. You go to college if you want to, be what you want to be, so you can make the money. Okay? And just that. Ooh, man. Man. Yeah. Don't forget, I'm full. I just have a lot left. I got this. I know I got a lot left. I might save it for later, cause I might get hungry again. But that was the end of today's video. And if I should have told y'all not, cause I see the video earlier, so don't do that. But that was the end of this video. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all guys in my next video. Bye.